Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone SE in the second generation, so the one from 2020. So what we need for is the power button and the home button. If we press now these both buttons for the same time, it could be also for short, we will have a screenshot. And directly after we have here a preview, and if we are tapping on the preview, we're able to edit the picture. Maybe we can crop just a part here, or if we're choosing a pen here, we can draw something inside if we want. And directly after, with this symbol here, we can share it maybe on WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. Or here we can go on done to save it to the photos or to the files. I would recommend you to save it to the photos. Okay, and as I said, we will find now our screenshots here, the photos. As you can see, I had already some twice here. And if we go here on the category albums, and if we scroll down, we have just an own folder just for screenshots. And here you will find all your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.